Hi, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Jackson here. So this video I want to make a quick tutorial to show you how you can convert a particular coin into another one. So let's say you have USDT and you want to convert it to Doji, or you have BNB and you want to convert it to USDT. So this video is going to be like that, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can simply do that in your Binance. So just as you can see, I have BNB for USDT and I have USDT Tether 39. So all of it totals to 44.45 US dollars. So I want to go ahead and get this 4.36 BNB and add it to 39 USDT right here. So to show you exactly what I'm talking about is, let me just head over to my Binance Lite and show you how it is like. So you can check on my Binance, you can see it is 9.79% of BNB and 87% of Tether. So I want to go ahead and get this 9%, add it to USDT Tether, then I can be able to withdraw it at once. So let's go ahead and do it, right, guys? So if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so that you can get notified anytime I publish a new video. So let's go and do it, right? So what you need to do, you just need to head over to trade section right here. So let me just head over to trade. So when you are in the trade section, you just want to go to this button right here, convert. I hope you can get that. So when you click on convert, then this section will open up where you can pretty much do most of the conversions. So here it will show you basically which coins that you can, that you can convert from and to. So one, for the case of this video, I want to get BNB right here and convert it to USDT, right? So let's do it. So just click over here, USDT, and we're going to go for BNB. As you can see, it has 4.35. So click on BNB, then here too we want to select USDT because we are getting BNB to USDT. So USDT right here. Okay, so as you can see, it is from BNB to USDT. So then go ahead and if you want to select max, or you can as well as type the amount here. So I'm going to select max, so the amount will be input here. You also want to check on the wallet where it is. So if it is in spot wallet, you can leave it like that. If it is in funding wallet, then you can click here just to change the price, your wallet where your coins are. So just go ahead and leave that. Then you can go ahead and preview conversion. So this is it, and convert in with no fees, right? So processing conversion successful. So let's just go back. After the conversion is successful, let's just go back to view whether it has been done. So try to refresh here, and if you can check, you will see USDT we have all 43.3, right? It was supposed to be 44, just like we saw, but prices are changing, right? The prices of these coins are changing every minute. So if you can check, and we have 43. So let's look for BNB. You can see BNB has 0.0. So let's go back to Binance Lite and show you their percentage allocation. So as you can see, let's just try to refresh right here. Okay, so you can see USDT Tether has it all, and there is nothing like BNB here, right? So if you search BNB, it has 0.00. So basically that is it, how you can convert from one coin to another using Binance Trade. So see you again. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel and like the video.